Hello guys, Olivia here, your pretty and maarteng astrologer and tarot reader. And for today's video, let's do a reading para sa mga Aries. Kung ikaw ay Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even sa Saturn placements mo, this is for you. Ano ang meron sa'yo in general? Kung anong lumabas sa baraha para sa'yo, Aries, this is for you. Okay. Aries, 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 Aries. May iba sa inyo habang nagsashuffle ako ay nakaka-experience ng physical pain, like sa may binti. I'm hearing there's a new door na mag-open. We have 7 of Cups, the Devil. Pwedeng may kakonek kang water sign and earth signs. Judgment. Three of Pentacles, 5 of Cups. Messages for Aries ito. The High Priestess. This is a reading for Aries. 10 of Cups, 7 of Swords, Page of Cups, 10 of Swords, Queen of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, Justice, 4 of Pentacles, Page of Swords, 2 of Swords, 4 of Swords, King of Swords, 7 of Pentacles, and the World. Okay, let's start. Again, this reading is general messages for the sign of Aries. So if you have Aries placements or marami kang Aries placements sa inyong birth chart, Sun, Moon, Venus, Saturn placements, and rising, this message is for you. For some of you here, may makakonect kayong earth signs. And meron akong nakikita that there is still emotions na nararamdaman mo towards this person. May iba din sa inyo, iniisip ka pa rin ng person na to. For some of you here, meron din dito nagtatry na mag-recover from a betrayal, specifically sa work. Merong betrayal sa work dito. And I can see that there is a pagbangon here from that betrayal. Meron din ako nakikita dito na parang may mga Aries dito na nagiging subject sa gossips or chismisan. Meron naman sa inyo, may ibang Aries naman. Ikaw mismo yung parang head ng chismisang ito. So, might as well start not to dwell on that ng maigi or wag masyadong pagtuunan ng pansin. For some of you naman, nagiging way itong pakikipag-usap na to na para ilabas yung nararamdaman, ilabas yung mga iniisip. And meron din ako nakikitang energy dito for a lot of Arises. Pwedeng magkaroon sila ng emotional fulfillment after or matapos nung panloloko, betrayals. It's either friendship, sa work. Mayroon dito ang lakas ng work energy. May betrayal from the work energy here. Meron ako nakikitang justice here. From that, as we have here, the justice card. For some of you here, mga Arises, meron ako nakikita na simulan nyo pong mag-impok, mag-save up, mag-ipon. And for others of you, meron ako nakikitang contract signing here. Medyo hindi nyo kailangang magmadali dito. Kailangan yung maging masusi, maging vocal, magtanong kayo about sa mga contracts na ito. Oh, I'm seeing a lot of contracts here. And pairalin nyo din ang pasensya nyo when it comes to a project, a plan, yung business mo na gusto mong mag-bloom, yung ideas mo na gusto mong mag-flourish, like gumanda. Meron ako nakikitang self-control here. Pwedeng mas makaramdam ka ng pagkakaroon ng self-control or pagiging, alam mo yung mas nagiging sigurista ka na sa pagpili ng mga taong papapasukin mo sa buhay mo para mas magkaroon ka ng matiwasay na puso or emotions here. For some of you, Arises, nagiging mas logical ka, mas pinapakinggan mo yung iniisip mo bago kumilos kaysa sa nararamdaman. Meron din ako nakikita dito na sa dami ng opportunity, sa dami ng ideas, you have to find a way na ma-manage at ma-put yon into a certain actions para magkaroon siya ng fulfillment. Meron ako nakikita dito that may sasakyan, maybe bibili ka ng bagong sasakyan or iniisip mo bumili ng another sasakyan, or there is a lot of traveling na mangyayari as we have also the world here. And isa sa pinakamalaking tema for Arises is yung pasensya to achieve that emotional fulfillment. Try also to listen to your intuition, to keep your faith mas, alam mo yung mas tight yung faith mo, hindi lang sa sarili mo kundi sa Diyos, sa higher being, sa mas higher power sa'yo, kung ano man ang mga paniniwala mo. Meron ako nakikita ditong ang daming opportunities, ang daming paraan para makapag-ipon ka. So, gamitin yun, yung blessings na yun sa tamang paraan. For some of you here, kung ikaw naman ay nabetray sa relationship mo, this is a whatever comes to our card reading, kung anong messages ang makita ko dito for you Aries or sa mga Arises, this is what I am telling you guys. So yun, kung ikaw ay nag-betray sa isang relationship, meron ako nakikita ditong justice for you, magiging even na yung energies from that situation. Just continue praying, continue focusing on yourself. Luma naman siya pakinggan, but this is what I'm seeing here. For some of you here, meron pa rin kayong nararamdamang inis, yung parang may mga tanong pa rin na bakit ganun, bakit napunta sa iba, bakit may third party. Third party is not necessarily other person, pwedeng family, mas pinili yung family, mas pinili yung plano niya na mag-go on nang hindi ka kasama. For some of you here, you need also to find a trusted person to really listen to your thoughts, to listen to whatever comes to your mind. I'm not an expert when it comes to this one, and I do not also read health related questions, but if you have the capacity to visit a professional help when it comes to your mental health issues, please do. Kasi mas makakaramdam ka ng freedom or paglaya kapag dahan-dahan mong binuksan ang puso't isip mo na i-share kung ano man yung mga dinadala mo. For some of you here naman, if you are into social media or content creation, anything na related sa public eye, meron ako nakikitang pag-boost ng energy from here. Just continue to do the effort and invest on this one kasi maganda ang mga energies dito. May mga tao rin pwede rin, may mga may mga taong nakabang sa'yo, watching you from their own social medias. Marami dito from the past, so just continue what you're doing as long as hindi ka nakakasakit ng iba, hindi ka nakakaabala ng iba, go on ka lang. And I also have here, aside from maganda ang balik ng emotional fulfillment after that betrayal and parang hindi makausad na feeling, meron ako nakikita dito emotional fulfillment, but again, detach from the past. Detach mo yung sarili mo dun sa mga taong inalis na nila yung self nila sa buhay mo mismo. And for others of you, if you are waiting again for an increased payback or a payment here, kung matyaga kang naghihintay, lalo na kung ikaw ay may pinirmahan, meron ako nakikitang advancement here regarding on that. So yeah, if you are an Aries and naka-resonate ka sa reading na to, please comment below, and yeah, see you on our next video. Bye!